Fellas, I bet this has happened to you. You grab your phone to check one quick email. 30 seconds, tops, you tell yourself. But then, bam, a notification. A buddy tags you in a meme. You click, then comes a headline you have to see. One click turns into 20. 45 minutes later, you're fried, staring at bouncing booty babe videos and DIY videos, and that email, ancient history. And it doesn't stop there. Maybe you've laid in bed telling yourself just 5 more minutes of TikTok. Suddenly, it's 3 a.m. You've got work or class in a few hours, but your brain is buzzing like you just downed 3 energy drinks. You wake up wrecked, unmotivated, and blaming yourself for being lazy. If this sounds familiar, you're not weak. You're not alone. That little device in your pocket, the one you grab hundreds of times a day, promises to connect you, but instead it slams you with distraction. It promises knowledge, but it destroys your focus. Today, I'm going to expose how your phone is literally engineered to attack your discipline and obliterate your mental health. But more importantly, I'll show you how to flip the script and turn it into a weapon that builds you instead of breaks you. Here's the truth. This is not your fault. Your phone is designed to be addictive. Every buzz, every red notification attacks your brain with a dopamine hit, the same chemical that fires when you eat chocolate, hit the gym PR, or fall in love. It feels good, but it's bad fuel, like junk food for your brain. It leaves you empty, craving more, trapped in a cycle that destroys your time and blames you for being weak. Stat drop: the average young man spends 4-6 hours per day on his phone. That's over 1,500 hours a year, time that could be used to build a business, transform your body, or master a skill. Think about it. Are you choosing that, or is your phone choosing for you? So how does this phone become your enemy? First, it feeds non-stop anxiety, FOMO. The fear that if you're not plugged in, you'll miss something important. Those endless alerts attack your peace, keeping your brain wired and stressed. Nearly half of people panic when their battery drops into the red zone. That's not normal, that's addiction. Second, social media. It's a comparison machine that hates your confidence. You scroll through highlight reels of vacations, promotions, and perfect families, and it slams your self-worth. You feel bad, so you scroll more, and the cycle destroys you further. And the physical damage, it's brutal. The always-on culture burns you out. Sleep obliterated by blue light. Scrolling in bed shuts off melatonin production, leaving you exhausted, anxious, and weak the next day. Ask yourself, how many nights have you lost because of this? How many mornings have you woken up already behind? This costs you way more than a bad night's sleep. It's your potential. Every pointless notification shatters your focus. Even hearing one can obliterate your concentration. Studies show it takes 23 minutes for your brain to fully refocus after an interruption. Imagine how much time you're losing daily. Every wasted hour is an attack on your future, time you'll never get back. Think about it. The book you could write, the side hustle you could start, the time you could invest in your family. Instead, your phone slams you into endless scrolling. We've all seen it, the family at a restaurant sitting together but each glued to their own screen. The very device that promised connection is the one destroying it. And here's the scariest truth. This isn't an accident, it's design. Apps are built to keep you hooked. And then they blame you for being lazy, when really the system is rigged. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to stay this way. Your phone isn't evil. It's a weapon. And right now it's being used to attack you. But in your hands, it can build you. It can be your ally, your tool for growth, focus, and discipline. The problem? Most of us run on the default settings designed to destroy our focus and obliterate our discipline. It's time to stop playing defense. It's time to fight back. Here's how you take control. 5 steps, no excuses. Step 1, the great digital purge. Delete the apps that slam your time and destroy your peace. If it doesn't build you, it's gone. Step 2, nuke the noise. Turn off notifications. Every buzz is an attack on your brain. Keep only texts, calls, and calendar reminders. You decide when you check, not them. Step 3, go grey. Switch your phone to grayscale. Bright icons are designed to obliterate your willpower. Make your phone boring, and it instantly becomes a tool, not a toy. Step 4, build a force field. Set up screen time limits. Create no phone zones. Charge your phone outside your bedroom. This one move alone slams late-night scrolling. Step 5, install allies, not enemies. Replace bad apps with ones that build you. Fitness, journaling, language learning, productivity. Fill your phone with tools that make you stronger. Fellas, this is bigger than just using your phone less. This is about taking back your discipline, your focus, and your respect. Your phone hates your strength. It slams your confidence. It destroys your potential, unless you fight back. So here's the challenge. Pick one of the 5 steps and apply it for the next 7 days. Just one. Delete an app, kill notifications, go grayscale. Prove to yourself that you're in control. Drop A in the comments if you're ready to obliterate distractions and rebuild your focus. Subscribe now and watch our videos that can guide you on how to build daily systems that attack weakness and turn you into a man of discipline, respect, and strength. That phone in your hand has immense power. For too long, it's been used to slam your focus, attack your confidence, and obliterate your future. But that ends today. The choice is yours. Let it remain your biggest enemy, or take control and turn it into your greatest ally. Your phone can destroy you, or it can help you build the life you want. The choice is yours.